Still dealing with acne, dark spots, or dull skin? You might not need expensive skincare, just these 3 natural soaps. Today, I'll show you how to make turmeric, rice, and neem soap at home, and why they actually work. Welcome back to Skin and Health. In today's video, we're making 3 powerful natural soaps: turmeric soap, rice soap, and neem soap. Each of these soaps has unique benefits for your skin. Turmeric soap helps brighten the skin and reduce dark spots. Rice soap is known for giving a smooth, glowing complexion. And neem soap is perfect for fighting acne and keeping your skin clean. The best part? These soaps are easy to make at home, and you don't need expensive ingredients. I'll walk you through each one step by step, so you can choose what works best for your skin, or even try all 3. Let's get started. Let's start with turmeric soap. Turmeric has been used for years in natural skincare because of its powerful brightening and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps reduce acne, fade dark spots, and improve overall skin tone. For this turmeric soap, you'll need a melt and pour soap base, turmeric powder, honey, a natural oil like coconut or olive oil, and optional essential oil for fragrance. Start by cutting your soap base into small pieces so it melts evenly. Then melt it using a microwave or double boiler. Make sure you don't overheat it, just enough to fully melt. Now, add a small amount of turmeric powder. Be careful not to add too much, so it doesn't stain the skin. Next, add a spoon of honey for moisture, and a few drops of oil to nourish the skin. Gently stir everything together until the mixture is smooth and evenly combined. Once everything is well mixed, pour the soap into your mold. Let it cool and harden for a few hours. After it hardens, your turmeric soap is ready. This soap can help brighten your skin, reduce acne, and give you a natural glow over time. Next, let's make rice soap. Rice has been used for centuries in skincare, especially for achieving smooth, bright, and glowing skin. It's gentle, nourishing, and perfect for daily use. For this rice soap, you'll need a melt and pour soap base, rice water or rice milk, a natural oil, and optional vitamin E for extra skin nourishment. To prepare rice water, rinse your rice and soak it in clean water for a few hours. You can also ferment it overnight for even better skin benefits. Cut your soap base into small pieces and melt it gently. Avoid overheating to preserve the quality of the ingredients. Now, slowly add your rice water or rice milk. Then add a few drops of oil and vitamin E for extra nourishment. Stir gently until everything is well combined and smooth. Pour the mixture into your mold and allow it to cool and harden completely. Once it's set, your rice soap is ready. This soap helps smooth the skin, improve texture, and give a natural glow. Finally, let's make neem soap. Neem has powerful antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it perfect for acne-prone or oily skin. It cleanses deeply while keeping your skin healthy and fresh. For neem soap, you'll need melt and pour soap base, neem powder or neem oil, and optional tea tree essential oil for extra antibacterial power. Cut the soap base into small pieces and melt it gently using a microwave or double boiler. Do not overheat. This preserves all the beneficial properties. Add your neem powder, extract or neem oil slowly to the melted soap. The mixture will turn a rich green color. Add a few drops of tea tree oil if you want to enhance the antibacterial effect. Stir gently until everything is completely blended and smooth. Pour the mixture into your mold carefully. Allow it to cool and harden fully before removing. Once set, your neem soap is ready. It's ideal for acne-prone skin, oily skin, or anyone looking for deep cleansing. Neem soap helps fight bacteria, reduce breakouts, and keeps your skin healthy naturally. Now that we've made all 3 soaps, let's see how they compare. Turmeric soap brightens skin, reduces dark spots, and is great for a radiant glow. Rice soap smooths and softens skin, giving a gentle, natural glow. Neem soap perfect for acne-prone and oily skin, fighting bacteria while cleansing deeply. So, if your goal is brightening, use turmeric; smooth glow, use rice; acne control, use neem. You can even use all 3 soaps in rotation for full skin benefits. That's it, your turmeric, rice, and neem soaps are ready. Each soap has its own unique benefits, and now you can choose what works best for your skin, or try all three for full results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural skincare tips. Comment below and tell me, which soap will you try first? And remember, all the detailed recipes and tips are in the description, so check them out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next skin and health video.